Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to sort by multiple columns in Google Sheets. First, click and drag to select your dataset. Click Data on the top menu, then hover over Sort Range, then click Advanced Range Sorting Options from the menu that appears. A pop-up box will appear. Click the checkbox to check Data's header row if applicable. Choose your first column to sort by clicking the drop-down field, then set it to A to Z or Z to A by clicking the corresponding circle icons. Click Add another sort column for the next column. Again, choose your desired column to sort by clicking the drop-down field, then set it to A to Z or Z to A by clicking the corresponding circle icons. When done, click Sort. So, that is how you sort by multiple columns in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.